Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: a signed check, a reliable pen, and the exact payee name. Write the date immediately so the check reflects when you authorized payment. That matters for banks and record keeping. Next, enter the payee name carefully. Use the legal or business name to avoid processing delays. Once done, pause to confirm spelling and spacing. Errors here force corrections later or could invalidate the check. Make sure you are sitting at a flat surface to write neatly. Now focus on amounts. Start with the numeric box. Write 123.45 with a clear decimal so the bank can read digits exactly. Then write the amount in words on the long line. This is the legal amount if numbers and words conflict, so be precise and include cents, as, and 45/100. After that, use the memo to note purpose and sign exactly as your bank has on record. Once done, inspect both entries to ensure they match, and are legible. Complete the process by immediately recording the check details in your Register or Finance app. Check number, date, payee, and amount, so your balance stays accurate. If you keep a carbon copy, detach it now, then deliver the check securely, either in person or via a sealed envelope when mailing. If you notice a mismatch between numbers and words or a smudge, do not correct with ink alterations. Instead, void the check clearly and write a new one, because altered checks often get rejected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.